And who is here to demand action on climate change?
I just want to thank each and every one of you for being here today, willing to make the sacrifices necessary to stand up and fight for this cause.
We are going on strike today because business as usual is failing us and our planet. If we want change, we must fight for it.
To the school strikers who are sacrificing their education and the carefree childhood that they deserve in order to try to salvage the future for all of us.
We are in the middle of a climate emergency, an emergency that our government is choosing not to respond to, an emergency that is already having consequences all around the globe, including Australia.